Assalamualaikum and hello. Today we will talk about the emergence of circular economy in Malaysia construction industry. This is Group 1 team members. What you will find in this video is, first one is, what is circular economy? Second is, current circular economy in Malaysia. Third is, benefit of implementing the circular economy in construction industry. 4 is best practice of circular economy in Malaysia, and the last one is additional information about circular economy that is significant.
What is the circular economy? In a linear economy, we extract resources, manufacture products, consume them, and then dispose of them as waste. This take-make-waste approach has led to resource depletion, waste generation, and environmental degradation. Most businesses today operate on a take-make-waste model, which is an unsustainable approach for our planet resources. The circular economy presents an ecological redesign of the manufacturing process, aiming to preserve resources and reduce the environmental footprint of production. Enter the circular economy, a regenerative system that promotes the reuse, recycling, and repurposing of resources to minimize waste and environmental impact. Circular economies create a closed-loop system that focuses on maximizing the potential of raw material and minimizing waste through reuse and reprocessing of byproducts. As waste and byproducts move through the loop, they are transformed into assets that can be renewed or repurposed by reintroducing them into the production process. This circular approach dramatically decreases pollution while conserving supply and saving costs. So, can we adopt the circular economy?
Current scenario, circular economy in Malaysia. The current scenario of the circular economy in Malaysia highlight the significant loss of recyclable resource value at approximately RM476 million each year. This loss is primarily attributed to the fact that recycling practice have not yet become the norm in the country. However, embracing the principles of the circular economy can help address this issue and create a more sustainable and efficient economy.
Best practice of circular economy in Malaysia construction industry. The building industry has been crucial to Malaysia development as infrastructure demand has increased. The construction industry has a big problem in handling the waste created during construction and demolition. The waste is harmful to the environment. The construction industry is responsible for 30% of global resources extraction, 25% of greenhouse gas emission, and 25% of solid waste produced worldwide. This issue happened because the construction industry mostly follow a linear way of doing things, which means we use up resources, damage nature, and harm different living things. This is why we should move towards the circular economy model, which this reduce the demand of non-renewable virgin materials, extract the maximum value of material by keeping them in use for as long as possible. One key aspect is, in Malaysia, incorporating green building material is essential for obtaining green building status. This involves using sustainable material and working with contractors who prioritize sustainability. Recycled material should meet strict requirements and can be reused or recycled to create other building materials. Second one is the use of modular construction. Modular construction involves fabricated building units that are brought to construction site and assembled. Modular construction can lead to savings up to 74% of materials and 68% of equipment costs. It offers numerous advantages, including substantial material and equipment cost savings, accelerate construction timelines, and reduce labor requirement. Compared to the virgin resource, these secondary element materials required less energy and resource. Last but not least, using a solar energy in building construction is important practice. Malaysia has a lot of sunlight, making it great opportunity to harness solar power. The Malaysia Green Building Index encourages using natural light in building design, which save energy and money. By installing solar panels and other solar technology, building can produce renewable energy, reducing the need for non-renewable source and lowering greenhouse gas emission. This shift to the solar energy align with sustainability goals and help create the greener environment in Malaysia.
Benefits of implementing the concept of circular economy in the construction economy. First one is reduce resource consumption. The circular economy's tenets encourage the effective use of materials and resources. It is possible to minimize the quantity of virgin resources required for new buildings projects by reusing and recycling construction materials. Lower expenses and a smaller environmental effect may result from this. Next is lower waste generation. By encouraging the reuse of resources, limiting overproduction and developing closed-loop systems that minimize waste, circular economy concept can assist to reduce this waste. Next is higher resource efficiency. By developing closed-loop systems that reduce waste and encourage material reuse, circular economy concept can help to achieve higher resource efficiency. Cost savings, increased production, and a less environmental effect may result from this. Next is economic advantage. Applying circular economic principle in the building sector can lead to new business model development, increased investment in sustainable infrastructure, and the creation of new jobs in recycling and waste management, among other economic opportunities. Next is improved social impact. Circular economy principles can also have a positive impact on society by promoting sustainable practice, reducing environmental pollution, and improving the health and well-being of communities. This can help to create more livable and sustainable communities for future generations.
The construction industry holds significant importance in the context of the circular economy. Here are some key reasons why the construction industry is significant in the transition to a circular economy. Resource consumption. The construction industry is a major consumer of infinite resources. By embracing circular economy principles such as resource efficiency and optimization, the industry can reduce its reliance on virgin resources and minimize the environmental impact. Waste generation. Construction activities generate vast amount of waste. Embracing circularity enables the industry to shift from a linear model. By implementing strategies like waste management plan, material recovery, and design for disassembly, the industry can significantly reduce waste generation and divert material from landfill. Carbon footprint. The construction industry contributes to a significant portion of global carbon emission. The circular economy offers opportunity to reduce the industry carbon footprint by promoting energy-efficient design, the use of recycled material, and the adoption of low-carbon construction practices. This supports climate mitigation efforts and contributes to sustainable development goals.
In conclusion, the circular economy offers a sustainable and innovative solution to our current economic and environmental challenges. By promoting resource efficiency, reducing waste, and fostering collaboration, it can lead to economic growth, environmental preservation, and a more resilient future for all. Transitioning to a circular economy is a crucial step toward creating a sustainable and thriving world for generations to come.